Alright, in this video, we're going to be packaging up a few orders that I got from my website, KayKozmetics.com. Shop with me, but anyways, Babes ordered an 8-ounce body scrub and body butter in the fragrance Sweet Orange. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that 8-ounce jar and get my body butter. I store it in these small containers that hold about, I think they hold about 16 ounces if I'm not mistaken. I like to keep it in small batches so that I know it's fresh every time I go to fulfill an order. I'm going to go ahead and hit the bottom of that jar to push out all that air to make sure that you get what you pay for. No shortchanging over here, hun. But yeah, look at it. It looks so good. And it smells amazing. I'm going to go ahead and grab that sugar scrub. I believe I mentioned my Sweet Orange sugar scrub as one of my favorites in the last video. And I think the reasoning for that is probably because it has orange zest in it, which plays as an extra exfoliant on top of the sugar. And it just feels so good. So whenever I record a video, my Tinka Pinka Winka Stinka, aka Maya, my daughter, is never too far away, and at some point in this video she is like having a fit and she makes like this crazy face or whatever. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm being extra because I'm mom, but when she does it again, just look for the pink circle. So I finished packaging up my orders. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them off and do my labeling. The sticker I placed on top is my logo sticker. This goes on top of all of my jars, but I don't have any labeling for my lip oils at this point. So this is where I'm starting off. I started my business in December, so it's like every week I take my proceeds and I put them back into my business. Like recently I ordered new boxes, I ordered new labels and stuff like, and new thank you cards, because it's a growing process. Right here I'm taking this shrink wrap and my heat gun to seal up my packages. No, to seal up my products. But yeah, so back to the growing process. So this is my starting point. And, I know I see companies with all these cute packaging and da-da-da-da-da. But I know that's going to, take time. I have to find it and, or whatever. But yeah, I want my packaging to be, super cute. But I'm just not there yet. So right now, my focus is more so on perfecting my product. And I figured everything else will come. Right here I'm wrapping up my my jars in some tissue paper. At first I was just throwing it in the box with the crinkle paper, but I decided to do it like this, like this, so it'll be like opening a present, because who doesn't like doing that? So my little brother is the one who made my beat for my intro and the one I've been using in my video. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a little time to shine and let it play. I'm gonna tag his Instagram and y'all can look into that if you're interested. Remember, look for the pink circle because that's gonna be Maya Papaya's crazy face.
Boy, sticky on the beat.
So now I'm just packaging additional orders that I had on that day. I put the crinkle paper inside, the invoice, and then my business card. I told y'all I have more thank you cards on the way. Unfortunately, these orders didn't get a thank you card, but if you're watching this video and you ordered from me, thank you so much. I appreciate the support, and I hope you come back and shop with me again, of course. But yeah, y'all, I was struggling with this tape like so horribly. Don't buy tape from Dollar Tree. It's not worth it. Pay the extra buck and get the good tape, because this shit is trash. It kept getting stuck to my gloves, and then like I don't know, it was like super annoying. Alright, so y'all, the other day I had a subscriber reach out or whatever. Her name is Jessica, and she told me how much she loved my videos and stuff like that. Like, I really appreciated that. It made me feel super special. So I wanted to let you know I love you, Jessica. And yeah, like I want to get to know more of y'all too. Like, I want to know like what y'all like, what y'all want to see. Like, do y'all like the whole business series I got going on? Like, showing y'all how I do stuff for my business and stuff like that. Like, I know the video of me making the body butter. Yeah, that isn't the body butter I sell either. It's a old formula that I used to use. But yeah, I know that video has been shooting up lately. Like, do y'all want to see more of that? Like, really, like, let me know. So I'm still fulfilling orders. I think this is the last one. After I finish packaging, I weigh each of my boxes on a scale, because I like to order my shipping labels at the house. Like, I use the USPS app. USPS, United Postal Service. USPS app, and I buy my labels so I can go ahead and put it on there, so that when I get to the place I can just drop it off, because that line is always ridiculous. It doesn't matter if you go early in the morning or late at night, the post office is always packed. So yeah, but I think this is pretty much the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that I will see you guys in my comment box or in my DMs or in my Snapchat. Like, y'all need to hit me up, because I definitely want to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support, and make sure you check out my website, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.